Hello, welcome to Arts and Woods. This is Tanisha Arora. Today I have along with me Ashish Mittal,
Namaskar.
Director of Arts and Woods. And in this video, we will be showing you something different from what we have shown you earlier and understand what is different in this set from Ashish ji. So Ashish ji, can we?
Sure. This set, first of all, is in oak wood, red oak to be specific.
Okay.
This is not teak wood. And oak is another favorite wood for a lot of people. And out of India, a lot of houses are made with this wood. The difference between teak wood and oak wood is teak wood is a little stronger than oak.
Okay.
Oak is a little softer wood.
Okay.
A little costlier also, but a little softer wood. But the texture is classical, very
Okay,
classical.
yeah.
And out of India, people are quite used to of this color. And this is the actual wooden finish that we get in this set.
Okay.
Another thing is about the design part. The design that you see here is the most classical sofa set design. We'll be discussing about the details, and please have a seat, and
Sure.
then we start the video further.
Sir, another difference I noticed in this set is that cushioning part. We have very modern style of cushioning in the back.
You call it modern or you call it classical.
Okay.
There are few things that are timeless. So from the time beginning and from the to the latest day, they are loved as it is.
Yeah.
And these kind of patterns are loved from a long time. And a very simple cushioning we have, if you see, very simple straight design at the back and simple cushioning. The fabric is again the client's choice. And the wooden part is visible more and cushion part is a little less.
Yeah.
And in this one, if you see, we have a high back as compared to our regular sofas.
Sir, as you mentioned high back, so can you please tell the sizes of all the items?
Sure. In this set, we have two three-seaters and two benches or settee, you may call it.
Okay.
This one is 75 inches left to right. Madam sitting here, I'll also sit. I still have some space here, and you can see how much space I have in the middle. 75 inches out and out. Our regular sofas are around 6.5 feet, 3 inches more than this one. But still, I'm getting quite a lot of space in the middle because this side is quite plain. We don't have handle and
Yeah.
area covering here, and we have just this shoulder part, the shoulder of the sofa. About the other sizes, the back height is 51 inches. Front to back, this is 28 inches. And it's a lean and curvaceous seating space. You can see the curve on the sides, and in the middle, we have broader seating area. A lot of woodwork on the side again, the shoulder part. Let me show you this, the outer dimensions also. We have carving inside, and here if you see, we have carving on this sides as well. And now I'll move the sofa at the back. Let's see the design here, the curve on this side, and a clean look at the back. A beautiful unit. Even if you want to keep it in the middle of the room, this will look really beautiful. And the natural wooden texture is quite visible here. And if we talk about the size of the settee, this is 5.5 feet out and out, 24 inches width.
Okay.
The handle height here is 30 inches. And again, very comfortable to sit on.
Yeah.
Madam is sitting on the front part, that side. And I'm sitting and looking at the back, and you can see my hand is resting very comfortably. These are more wooden designs and are quite liked out of India, in India as well.
Sir, another thing I noticed about this set is the leg work.
Yes.
I think this leg is from particular concept.
Yes. This is the standard European concept.
Okay.
In European concept, you don't find very thick legs that we generally have in our sofa sets. This thin leg concept is quite popular there in French areas and nearby areas.
Okay.
And you will find mostly this type of design in the sofa sets. So that is the concept from there.
Okay.
And the back is visible here. The back of this is visible here, and the fabric we can change as per your requirement. This is in red oak, not teak wood. I'm repeating because 99% of our units are in teak
Teak
wood,
wood.
and this time we are showing red oak.
Yeah.
So the client's choice, and we made it.
And we deliver in India and out of India wherever you are. Everything is customized as per your requirement. So please contact. The number is right in front of you. Thank you.
And the best part is the factory price because we make it here and manufacturer is directly delivering to your place. There is no middleman, no trader, no commission agent in the middle.
Yeah.
So you always get the best price from Aarsun in best quality, solid teak wood and home delivery. Handcrafted stuff. Hope you like our work. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Thank you.